Hi, I'm Byron.
And I'm Sharnice, and we're the Mobile Home Elite Investors. We are so happy to present mobile home investing in all 49 states.
Yes, each week we'll be dropping a new video discussing an individual state and how lucrative mobile home investing is in each state.
Are you ready to learn about mobile home investing across the United States? Stay tuned. So this week we are coming to you guys to talk about California.
Yes, California, yay. Yes, man, I love California, beautiful state. So we excited to talk about the wonderful California.
Yeah, so the cool thing is that we get so many people from Cali who are scared because of the expensive market. They don't know if it's a need for mobile home investing in your state, but we're here to dispel that. Why? Because California is the second largest market across the United States when it comes to mobile home investing. You guys alone have over 4,000 mobile home parks in the state of California.
Yes, you hear that number, over 4,000, right? And the main thing we normally get is, well, homes in my market, they're too expensive, right? But here's the reality. California is a very attractive state because guess what? There is an affordable housing crisis, right? And we know with the average home, new home costing almost over $400,000 and rents being at almost $1,900 plus, right? There still is a need for affordable housing. Now, the mobile home itself may cost more than when we talk about $5,000 or in a lot of markets, but here's the reality. It is still cheaper than a traditional house.
Yes, and in an expensive market like California, you actually have to also know your beginning and end strategy. So like Byron said, some of those homes are going to be a little bit more expensive, but that's not the end all be all. There are other ways that you can get started investing in California. Like you could potentially wholesale a mobile home deal, or you can connect with other mobile home movers and dealers in the state and then become a bird dog for them and get a finder's fee. It's so many different ways for you to still get started in a state like California.
Yes, and just like traditional real estate, else would you go get the money, right? Whether it's investors, you put the deal together. Like shout out to one of I got a guy, Hector, that's out near NorCal. Hector himself, if you go on our Instagram page, if you saw purchased a home for $35,000, turned around and flipped that house for $65,000. I mean, guys, if you look at it, it's a no-brainer. You're still making huge ROIs. You have to get started no matter what the cost of the home, right? You have to get started some way.
Yes, so let's talk about the major cities and where these mobile home parks are at, okay? So first we have Eureka, and you guys have near 21 mobile home parks. Sacramento is a huge market at 65 mobile home parks.
Yes, and then if you think about it, your neighboring cities, Stockton with over 46, West Sacramento has 21 mobile home parks itself.
Yes, now San Francisco, that Bay Area. Now you guys just have one near the Bay Area, okay? And that one is actually $1 million mobile home park, okay? That's where you're gonna find the $1 million mobile homes near San Fran.
Yes, but you're gonna have to go over this to Santa Cruz, okay, which have 37 mobile home parks, or even go up to Hayward, right? Hayward has 25 mobile home parks.
Yes, so we have San Jose, we got the Fresno area. So San Jose, you guys have about 60 mobile home parks, and then Fresno at 39 mobile home parks.
Yes, and then also, right, Pasadena, we're getting a little bit closer, right? We're traveling down. Pasadena alone, right? No mobile home parks. But near Pasadena, you guys have Lancaster, right? You guys have 35 mobile home parks in Lancaster. Barstow has 22 mobile home parks, right, near Pasadena.
Yes, now let's talk about one of the hottest markets in Cali, that LA market, right? We get so many people near LA, and the first thing they always say is there's no mobile homes near LA. No, you guys are totally wrong. You guys have 14 mobile home parks near LA alone.
Yes, so you got to be willing to travel outside, right? Anaheim has 29 mobile home parks. You also have Gardena. Gardena has 37 mobile home parks. You have Bellflower. Bellflower has 44 mobile home parks. City of Industry with 29 mobile home parks.
Yes, let's keep traveling on down south. San Diego, okay, still a good, great market. You guys have near 43 mobile home parks near San Diego alone.
Yes, and let's talk about the mobile home capital, right? Near San Diego, El Cajun. El Cajun has 75 mobile home parks, right? That is the most mobile home parks in any city in California.
Yes. So we've mentioned it. We're giving you all the major cities and even those towns near those major cities where you can find those mobile homes. But remember that beginning and end strategy as well. But now let's give them some more gems. Let's talk about, because again, we know California is what we call a zero state. So let's talk about the wonderful thing that we learned about the dealer's license for Cali.
Yeah, so a lot of people will realize, they say, you know what, how can I flip a mobile home? I'm gonna have to get the dealer's license. And in my state, the dealer's license is $1,141, and I gotta pay some other fees. But here's the beautiful thing about California. California, you can have a salesman's license, okay? If you're not familiar with the salesman's license, you definitely want to look that up, okay? The only requirements with that, right? You're talking about a very affordable license. Once you get it, you have to take, it's like a 6-hour test, okay? And then you have to have E&O insurance, which is errors and omissions insurance. That right there is your protection to get started flipping homes in California. So you're talking about less than a $400 investment that you can get to be able to flip mobile homes in the state of California.
Yes, so really what that means to us is there's no excuses.
Yes.
So you can really get started now, like Byron said, less than $400 to go ahead and start making very high return on investments in mobile home investing.
Yeah, so I hope you guys really enjoyed the mobile home parks the cities that we gave you for the mobile home parks. And trust me, there are many more. You guys, we will be talking at least another 12 minutes, and we talked about all of the cities with different mobile home parks. But now you got some ways to get started. We don't hear no excuses when it comes to California now.
None.
Hey, salute to y'all.
So we hope you enjoyed this video on why mobile home investing is so lucrative in your individual state.
Yes. So if you like what you saw, make sure you hit that like button. If you want to see more videos on mobile home investing, hit that subscribe button. And if you need more information, hit that description. Links are there below. Listen, we're so excited for you to get started on your journey. And we always want to tell you guys, you are a mobile home investor.
So I'm Sharnice.
And I'm Byron.
And we're the Mobile Home Elite Investors.